Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to rock the athleisure trend. So today happens to be the second episode of my Style Decoded series. In the first one, I had shared with you guys some tips and ideas on how to dress boho. You guys seem to love it. Thank you so much for the amazing response. And the style that I've picked for today's episode is athleisure. Now, our busy and hectic lives today demand practical and comfortable clothes, but at the same time, giving up on style is not an option. And hence, athleisure comes into play where we combine fashion and function together to create chic and totally wearable looks. It's all about blurring the lines between the clothes you'd wear to the gym and the ones you'd wear to lunch. So I wanted to show you a few different ways you can achieve the super cool, comfy yet athleisure looks with your existing wardrobe by mixing and matching different practical and fashionable pieces. So whether you're off to a dance studio or just hitting the streets, there won't be a need to struggle in heels or carry around a change of clothes. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Bell button, you know the drill. And yeah, let's get started. Now, athleisure trend is not very difficult to nail. You just have to keep certain things in mind, both in terms of the athleisure pieces you buy and how to integrate them into your regular wardrobe. To begin with, try mixing fashion pieces like leather jacket with activewear pieces like sweatpants. Think of leggings instead of jeans and track pants instead of dresses. From sports bras as tops and tracksuits as outfits to hoodies you can layer over anything. When it comes to shoes, use sneakers and slides as your go-to footwear. Now, according to me, a very important aspect of any athleisure look is also using the right accessories. Stick to sleek sports vibe, but also add a touch of your personal style. A pair of aviator sunglasses, a baseball cap, or a stylish backpack all work perfectly. Also, throwing on some simple jewelry will add the perfect street style touch to your athleisure look. But don't overdo it. A simple pair of gold or silver hoop earrings or a thin chain necklace is all you need. Lastly, keep an eye out for athleisure pieces that are sports inspired and comfortable yet chic and stylish. And now, using all these tips, let's jump into some outfit ideas. A hoodie is one of the solid building blocks to athleisure. And for my first look, I gave this orange hoodie a fashionable twist by pairing it with a black leather mini skirt. The skirt that I picked has an asymmetric hemline and a beautiful texture for that extra oomph. Kept the rest of the look simple and sporty with just a backpack, hoop earrings, and these super cute zebra print sneakers. You can never go wrong with an all-black outfit. And here's a look I've created using some very basic sports staples in my closet, which means a pair of black jogger pants, a black sports bra, a pair of comfortable chunky sneakers, and a backpack. And to give it an ultimate fashion girl twist, I added these black turtleneck sweater sleeves, which can literally take any basic look to another level. Sporty, comfy, yet very chic. Why restrict your running shorts for doing just household chores when you can sport them in public like a pro? Try wearing them with a loose knitted sweater, a pair of chunky sneakers with some cute socks, a baseball cap, and you are good for a day out with friends. I also threw on this hot pink fanny pack for a pop of color and loved how the look turned out. Running shorts are lightweight, sweat-wicking, elasticated at the hips, and an outfit like this is sure to make you feel comfy and cute throughout the day. Nothing can be more sporty than a workout set. So try them in different bright colors like this yellow one. It features a pair of fitted high-waist leggings and a sports bra. And to give it a super cool, straight from the gym to the street athleisure look, I threw on this black full sleeves crochet top and cropped its length by twisting and tucking its hem in the sports bra. Also completed the look with these colorful sneakers and a cute handbag. One of the most effortless ways to pull off an athleisure look is by opting for a tracksuit.
And candy floss colors are my favorite right now. So I styled this lilac quad set by layering a checkered cami top under the jacket, a black fanny pack for some practicality, a baseball cap, and these red sneakers for some color blocking. If you're obsessed with sporty life and active wear, then you better give this outfit a try. You can either wear such tracksuits as a set or mix and match with different pieces to create different outfits. The form-fitting biker shorts have been repurposed as a fashion statement and are one of my go-to pieces for warm weather days. Pair them with a hoodie, maybe a graphic or cropped one like this, some chunky sneakers with socks, a pair of sunnies, and a cute bag. And you're sure to turn heads while being comfortable for the entire day. I chose a black one, but feel free to play around with colors. For all the denim lovers looking for something more comfortable and stretchy, denim joggers are the way to go. Made with cotton and complete with back pockets and a 4-zip closure, these pants give the illusion of jeans with the comfort of sweats. I like to style them with a crop top in summers, but you can wear anything from shirts to t-shirts to sweaters. For this outfit, I've rolled up the hem of my pants, one slightly higher than the other to give an extra cool effect, and completed the look with a white bucket hat, these funky earrings, a black handbag, and sneakers. Now let's dress up our sportswear a little. Try styling your cargo pants with a pair of strappy heels for a sporty yet glam look. Here I'm wearing basic black sandals with these striped sweatpants and paired it with a full sleeves mesh bodysuit layered over a sports bra for the ultimate chic. I love how mesh can instantly take your look up a notch. A crossbody bag, sleek hairdo, nude makeup, and you're all set. Lastly, a pro tip for elevating your active wear for that perfect street style athleisure is to throw on a trench coat over a workout set. Here I paired my basic high-waisted workout leggings with a black sports bra. And this lilac trench coat is just enough to take the whole look to another level. Tied my hair in a top knot and completed the outfit with a black bag, big sunglasses, and a pair of black ankle boots. This surely has to be one of my favorite looks.
And that was all for today. Athleisure is all about being comfortable without compromising on the style. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and got some really cool outfit inspos. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. And do let me know in the comment section below which out of all these looks was your favorite. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in the small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.